If you're seeing the AnyDesk error that says free sessions to the target client are currently disabled, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when the remote computer is blocking incoming session requests, when AnyDesk thinks the account is being used in a way that triggers a restriction, or when direct connections are causing the connection to fail. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve this in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tech fixes. First, let's start on the target computer, which is the computer you are trying to connect to. Open AnyDesk on that remote device, then click the menu icon and go to Settings. From there, open the Access section and click Unlock so you can edit the permissions. Once the settings are unlocked, scroll down until you find the Interactive Access section. This part is very important because it controls whether the remote computer can receive incoming session requests. Look for the option that says Never Show Incoming Session Requests, and make sure that option is unchecked. If this box is enabled, AnyDesk may block or hide incoming connection prompts, which can make it seem like sessions are disabled. After you uncheck it, save the change and try connecting again. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your license status. AnyDesk can sometimes flag free accounts if they are connecting to devices too often, or if the target device is associated with a business domain or a setup that looks commercial. So if you are using a free version, make sure your usage is within AnyDesk's free license limits. If you suspect the account is being restricted because of licensing, you may need to review your account details, sign in with the correct account, or check whether the device is being detected as a business system. Now let's move on to another common fix. Direct connections. Sometimes your firewall, router, or network restrictions can interfere with how AnyDesk tries to connect. In those situations, disabling direct connections can help because it forces AnyDesk to route the session through relay servers instead of trying a direct peer-to-peer path. To do this, go back into AnyDesk settings on the target computer, click the menu, then go to Settings, and open the Connection section. Click Unlock again if needed, then open the General tab. Find the option that says Allow Direct Connections and uncheck it. This small change can fix false session limit errors, especially on networks that block certain connection types. After that, close the settings and try the connection once more. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the issue: enabling interactive access, verifying the license status, or disabling direct connections. If the error still appears, restart at AnyDesk on both computers. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version and test the connection again. You can also temporarily disable any aggressive firewall or antivirus rules to see if they are interfering with the session. But start with the steps we covered first because they are the most common solutions. To recap, open AnyDesk on the target machine, go to Settings, unlock access, uncheck Never Show Incoming Session Requests, check your license situation, and if needed, disable Allow Direct Connections under Connection Settings, then attempt the connection again. That's it. You now know how to fix the AnyDesk free sessions to the target client are currently disabled error. If this guide helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.